How to upload vertical video on YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So in order to upload the vertical video on YouTube, first of all launch the YouTube application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Then here you can see different options over here at the bottom of the screen, from home, shorts, the plus icon, subscriptions and you. So tap on the plus icon over here at the bottom of the screen and then all you have to do is give access. Then tap on video, and as you tap on video you can just select any of the video that you'd want to upload on your YouTube. So tap on it and then tap on next again, and here you can just add details over here. You can maintain your visibility, your location, audience and so on, and then tap on upload short, and there you'll be able to upload the vertical video on YouTube. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.